I'm Jessica and welcome back to the Okeechobee Libraries channel. Today we are going to be doing take-home kits, and it's the rocking boat. Okay, for this rocking boat take-home kit, you're going to get one of these, and this is going to be the ocean. One of these. You're going to get your porthole template. Here are your portholes. This is your smokestack holder, then your smokestacks. You're going to be getting your circle, which will be your boat. This little circle is your lifesaver. Now let's get started on making the take-home kit. Okay, so the first step that we're gonna do, we're going to cut out the 6 strips of paper. And then you're going to glue them to your half sheet of construction paper in random spots. Second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out the porthole frame. And you'll have this. And you're going to fold it into half. Third, you're gonna cut out the portholes. And you're going to glue them on one side of your porthole frame. Alright, your fourth step is cutting out your circle. Then you're going to fold it in half. So your fifth step is to glue your porthole frame onto the straight folded side of your boat. Your sixth step is to cut out your smokestack holder. You're going to glue this to the back of your porthole frame. Make sure that it's evenly spaced between. Your seventh step is to cut out your smokestacks. You're going to glue these onto your smokestack holder right here on the back. Your eighth step is to cut out your lifesaver. Now you can take and you can color this however you want. Now you're going to take and you're going to glue this to the front of your boat. And if you want, you can design your boat however you want. Here's your boat. Put it in between your waves and then rock it back and forth. Bye guys, thank you for watching. If you liked this, just hit like and subscribe down below, and see you guys next time. Bye.